So what's up my people, it's your boys who can get once again with another video. So the long awaited smart layer network is about to list on an Okx happens to be the one top exchange that is about to list it, and I think I saw Bygate and all these things trying to list it also. So in 5 hours coming, this particular project called SLN, that is smart layer network, is going to be listed in some exchange, and the airdrop is going to be sent to the wallet of the ones that actually participated and do the things that are required to receive the airdrop. This particular project is one of the projects that I have been promoting since last year, and today is about to be distributed to people and we are about to earn from it. So tell me in the comment section how many points do you actually manage to gather. But that is by the way. Today's video is not about smart layer network. Instead, today's video is about another big project that is going to hit and going to do well in coming few months or days or weeks, depending on when their mainnet is coming, because they have already announced their mainnet. I'm not talking about Uber Wallet. I'm actually talking about another project called Immortal Network. So the native token of this particular project is called Okx. Okx. So Immortal is one big project that is backed by Mainnet. Mainnet is that is backed with Reminato. Reminato is another project, another company that also did the same thing that Immortal is actually doing now. Previously, around 2 years ago, their native token is called Renek, but the name of the project is Reminato. It's an exchange also, just like Immortal is an exchange. So Immortal is backed by Renek, just like our other project is backed by Renek. So that is one thing to show you that they have partnership that is strong and the project is also legit. And yes, also as you can see, I am actually in Mainnet, the priority queue, and my rank is 529. I don't really know what this thing actually means totally, but I'm happy that at least I'm in Mainnet. So today's video I'm going to just talk about, highlight some things about it, so on how to earn it. In case you're not actually earning it, you still have the chance to join with my referral code under there. And before the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys what I've actually earned from it, apart from earning the token, also what I've actually earned from this project. So try your best to watch, and while you're watching, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if this kind of a thing interests you. If you like new projects and new airdrop that is going to be helping you to make money whenever the project is listing, I think you are in the right position. All you need to do is to subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon, and watch this video to the end. And also don't forget to share it to your friends, because you can't make money on yourself. Share it to your friends and share it to your family members. Share it to anybody that is there to you, so that they can also benefit from the information that you benefit from. And also with that, my channel is going to be growing and I'll be motivated more to share it for you guys. So let's dive into the main video of the day. Why? Without wasting much of your time, all you need to do is to go over to your Play Store or Apple Store, download this particular app called Immortal. Once you're done downloading it, you will see my referral code in the description of this video, or maybe anywhere around this video, depending on how I did one when I'm editing this video. So but surely you're going to see it in the description of this video. You can also join my WhatsApp channel or Telegram channel for you to see it also. It's very simple. So once you're done downloading it and inputting my referral code is going to help you to earn 5 USD or 5 USD in dollar. So once you're done registering and every other thing, the registration is going to be very simple. What you have to do is to come over to this particular icon that is showing, this particular icon that is in the middle. So tap here to mine. It's very simple. Although to accumulate the coin is not that easy, but at least you can't. It's very hard to accumulate a very huge amount of it, but you can still accumulate it. So after collecting the season that came for you to actually earn from the seasons that you actually mix, you have to watch adverts. So I'm going to do it right now. So they said I missed someone, so I'm going to click on watch now, and it's going to play an advert on me. So after the seconds and the ad is done, just click it off and you see that your reward will be sent to your account. So as you can see, I've just earned another 0.75 Immortal. So I can still go down like this, click on claim now, and then you see some some seasons that I've missed. I've missed a series of seasons here since yesterday, so I can easily click on this particular pin after the countdown again and watch another ad. Then, as usual, once the ad is done playing, just click it off and your reward is going to be sent to you. So this is the same way I'm going to do, follow and earn all these particular seasons that I actually missed. So you don't have any reason for you not to be active on this particular project. So if you are still a newbie on it, I think you still have a chance to accumulate some amount of it before the actual listing comes, or before they actually list to their mainnet. So another way of earning it, apart from using ad to receive the seasons that you missed, another way of earning it is to by playing the spin wheel section. So if you go over to the spin wheel section, you see where they will first of all give you one spin every single day. All these things are the ways that they are trying their best to make sure that you interact with the app and with the project. So the more active you are in it, the more you earn from it. So if I click on spin over here now, it's going to spin and give me from 0.1 to 10 Okx. So I just won this particular one. So what I will do now is to scroll down a bit and watch. You can watch for 5 ads in a day. I think 5 ads in a day to earn a chance of spinning. You can invite your friends. Each friend is going to give you another spin. You can also share on Twitter and share on Facebook. So how do you watch? I just click on this particular place. I'm going to watch an ad. So the ad is going to play for you once you click on this particular place. So after the ad is done, you have to click it off and then scroll up a bit. It's going to up a bit now and give you another spin. So one ad for one spin. So I'm going to spin this one again. Let me know what I'm going to earn. So after the seconds the spin is done, as you can see I just won 1 Okx. So it's going to load up now and give me a chance of collecting this 1 year or multiplying it by whatever the system actually choose for me. So I can easily click on collect here and just collect my one, or watch an extra advert for me to triple it. So let me just explain something. This advert of a thing that we're actually watching is not in any way of them trying to use us to make money or other. So yes, they are actually making money from those ads, but according to what we have seen in other projects that is actually mining apps, they are using this advert to actually fund the project instead of using their own money or trying to get money from their community. They will let you to watch ad, and ad will play on their project for them to actually use it to fund the project. So that they are playing advert does not mean that we are actually being scammed or we are actually being used, even though there are series of fake projects out there that are using they're using their community to make money through just playing advert and giving them false hope. But that is the reason why you need to know the project you're actually venturing your time with. So right now I'm going to click on get ad over here, and it's going
if
to
you bought Tesla stock at the start of the year,
an ad for me for some seconds as usual. And after the ad is done, I'm going to click it off as usual. So it's going to load up a bit now, and now give me the amount of coin I just earned. So as you can see, I just earned extra 3 coin. So you can actually do this thing until the 5 spin countdown is done. Then you can also participate in other ways of earning it. So this is it for now. There's not much thing for me to tell you guys because there's nothing else to do apart from trying your best to accumulate the coin. Now for what I promised you guys that I actually have been earning from it, let me even check it.